art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Cappy from Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. First, let's get started by framing in the eyes. So over on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. And now coming over on the right, we're going to draw in our second oval, drawing that at the same size. Just making sure that those connect in the center. Now in the center, let's draw in another oval in each eye. Now to the inside of this, we're going to draw in an oval for that eyeball, curving that around and in. On the top corner of each eye now, let's draw in a circle for the highlight. Now let's come underneath and draw in the pupil. So we're going to draw in an oval, connecting that, touching the side, pulling that back around and through, replicating that on the left-hand side as well. And then now from here, let's just color in our oval black. Now let's come underneath drawing in the brim of the hat. So we're gonna leave a gap here, and on the bottom, we're just gonna curve this line over and across to the right. Starting on the edge, we're gonna round the edge out, curving that over and through to the middle. We'll mirror that in the opposite direction, replicating that on the right-hand side. We're just gonna blend that back in together. Let's frame in the top of the hat here. So right in the center, we're just gonna draw in a slight curved line. To the left-hand side now, arching this around, pulling that over, tucking that through on a diagonal. Replicating that on the right-hand side as well. And that is it. That's how you draw Cappy from Super Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.